our window. Another way in which we can analyze a hex value. So in the top left corner, we can see
There was a time I believe I just wasn't meant for this. Some people were naturally smart, and I wasn't one of them. But then I wake up and realize that maybe this feeling of struggle isn't a sign to stop, but it's part of how I grow.
Well, learning isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about how we process, retain, and also apply new information. For me, learning means building connections in the brain, where we're connecting what we already know with new experiences. It also involves cognitions, where we know as the mental processes of attentions, problem solving, thinking, and also memory. It's how we understand the world, solve problems, and make decisions.
Well, memory allows us to retain information. Thinking helps us reason. Cognition is the full system that controls how we learn, and that realization changed everything for me.
So, one concept from this course that truly transformed me was the growth mindset. It's the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, strategies, and also help from the others.
Well, I used to have a fixed mindset. I avoided challenges and I fear of failures. But now I see failure as a feedback that a necessary part of growth. I struggle a lot with coding. Every time an error pop up, I felt like giving up, and I believe I just wasn't good at it. But through what I've learned in my cognitive and learning journey, especially about metacognitions and self-regulation, my mindset began to shift. I started asking myself, what went wrong? What can I do differently? I stopped seeing mistake as failure and started seeing them as part of my learning. Now, when my code doesn't run, I reflect, plan my next steps, and try again. This is what a growth mindset means to me: learning, adapting, and never giving up. Because learning is not about being the best, but it's about being better than I was yesterday.